Live like
Let's
Blue
go.
EE Full House.
Let's go.
Like look at his fit.
Go.
I'm about to go
On that,
soup.
new dubs. Who was here? Who was here? Turn me up. Who was here? This is my ex-girlfriend. Everybody say hi to Miley.
Like security just standing right there. Kyle was saying we got security. I'm like,
Why didn't they drive the car in?
they walked straight in.
We on a drill right now. We can't be
They
arguing.
walked like they just walked straight in there, bitch. Kyle don't lie talking about we got security. I don't know why y'all play with them boys. I don't know why y'all play with them boys. Look, he went like he like 1-9. Like he trying to get right now.
Watch out! I'm not down!
I don't know why y'all play with a young man.